Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive video course on Pytorch. In this course, we explore the world of Pytorch, one of the most popular libraries for machine learning and deep learning. I am Regis Ngesan and I will be your guide throughout this journey. Here is what we'll cover in this course. First, introduction to Pytorch, installing Pytorch, basic concept of Pytorch, autograde, automatic differentiation, modules and neural networks, training a model, and of course conclusions. So let's dive right in. Welcome back to your data science course series. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into, Pytorch. Pytorch is a powerful library for machine learning and deep learning, and in this video we'll take you through the fundamentals step by step. So, how to install Pytorch? First thing, let's install Pytorch. Whether you are using a CPU-only setup or a GPU with CUDA support, Pytorch has you covered. Here is how you can do it. For those of you with CPU setups, simply use the following command: pip install torch. If you are lucky enough to have a GPU with CUDA support, you can install Pytorch with CUDA like this. Remember to choose the version that matches your hardware and operating system. Now that we have Pytorch installed, let's dive into the basics. Our journey begins with tensors. Tensors are the building blocks of Pytorch. Think of them as multidimensional arrays, much like NumPy arrays. You can create tensors with different dimensions, like scalars, vectors, matrices, or even higher dimensional tensors. Vector, here X is a vector, A is a matrix, B is tensor, a cube precisely. We can perform various operations on tensors, such as additions, like here, scalar multiplication, like here, matrix multiplication, like here, and also matrix transposition, like here. It's very simple to do. So now let's talk about Autograd, the magic behind Pytorch gradient computation. Autograd automatically calculates gradients for tensors with respect to a loss function. This is crucial for training our models. So let me explain you more Autograd. Here you have forward pass. When you perform operations on tensors, Pytorch automatically records the operations in a computational graph. For example, this one. In this case, a computational graph is created to track that z depends on x through multiplication and summation. In the case of backpropagations, once you've computed the loss function, you can use the backward method to calculate gradients with respect to tensors that have required grad set to true, like this, z dot backwards. The gradients are then stored in dot grad attribute of tensors. So we can define, we are in the level of the modules. So how to define modules and neural networks. So now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into modules and neural networks. So Pytorch allows us to create complex models with ease. We can define our model as classes. Let me show you this code. Yeah. Our model, here is our model, simple NN. So we can define our models as classes that inherit from nn.module. These models can consist of layers, such as linear layers and activation functions, making it easy to design and train neural networks. So we're trying to train a model here. Okay, training a model involves performing a forward pass, calculating the loss. Let me show you in this code. A forward pass, calculating the loss, and then optimizing the model's parameters. Let's put all these pieces together in this code. So we define a model like model equal to simple, and then we define the loss function and an optimizer, and we write our training loop. So here is the code. This is how you use Pytorch to create, train, and optimize neural networks. Pytorch automatically handles backpropagation and gradient tracking through Autograd, making it easy to experiment with different model architectures. That's a wrap on our Pytorch crash course. We've covered the essentials from tensors and Autograd to building a training neural networks. Pytorch is a versatile library that opens up a world of possibilities in machine learning and deep learning. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow